Music. Welcome to this Canopy tax software review. Find product links in the description below. Canopy is cloud-based tax software built for tax professionals and accounting firms. It offers tools to streamline tax resolution, client management, and tax prep. It's perfect for professionals wanting better workflow, improved client communication, and centralized operations. Canopy's standout feature is its all-in-one platform. It integrates tax prep, practice management, and resolution tools. The resolution module efficiently handles IRS forms, transcripts, and client cases. Features include a transcript retrieval system and an automated IRS notice tracker. So you'll never miss a deadline or client requirement. Canopy's prep tools support individual and business returns, with an intuitive interface simplifying complex filings. Its client management system lets you securely store data, track communication, and share files via an encrypted portal. Collaboration is seamless, and security compliance is maintained. E-signature functionality speeds up document signing. Task and workflow management features keep your team organized with assigned tasks, deadlines, and real-time progress tracking. Canopy also offers a billing and invoicing system. Create custom invoices, track payments, and set up recurring billing. This keeps your financials organized. Plus, Canopy integrates with tools like QuickBooks, boosting its usability for accountants. Canopy is designed to scale with your business, from small practices to large firms. It's user-friendly yet powerful, perfect for seasoned professionals. Whether simplifying tax filing or enhancing client relations, Canopy provides a robust solution. Learn more and start a free trial today using the links below.